In this tutorial, I will show you how easily you can install Openstack in Ubuntu, which is installed on VirtualBox. I am running Ubuntu here in VirtualBox. This is already running, and this is the step that I will follow to install Ubuntu by Openstack. So there are 6 steps to start the installation. In the first steps, you have to update and upgrade your system. Upgrade portion is optional, but you must update your system before starting the installation process. Here I am logging as a root user, omitting this. So now I am logging as stack user. Okay, starting from the first step, I am updating the system, copy and paste. Wait for some time. The time required is depend on your net speed and system configuration. My net speed is showing too slow, so it requires more time to complete the update task. Here you can see our installation is, our update process is almost completed. Now I can go to the next step. Step 2. First command is to create a user for install Openstack. This stack user is already created in the system. Here you can see stack username. If you have not created, then by this command sudo add user stack, you can create the new user. Next step, to become a root user. So I will type sudo -i to become root user. First clear the screen, clear sudo -i. So now I am the root user. Go to the next command, give all permission to the stack user. I'm copying the command and paste it. Echo stack all equal to all, no passwd all etc su sudoers. That means I am giving all permission to stack user. Now before go to the next command, step 3, I will back to stack user. So type exit. Okay, now I am again stack user and I will run the next command from step 3. Step 3, first command is to install Git in your system. If you already installed Git before, then don't require to run this command. So I will type sudo apt-get install Git. Sudo apt-get install Git. Okay, enter. If this type of problem arises, then you can run this command. This is the log error, so I'm pasting it. Sudo rm-rf var leave apt list start. Again I am copying this command, sudo apt-get install git. Okay, to become root user, I will type sudo -i. Sudo -i. Now I am the root user and give all permission to stack user by using this command. Echo stack all equal to all, no passwd all etc sudoers. Okay, exit from the root user. Now again stack user. Go to the third command, and third command you will install git first and then copy the dev step on git. So you can type this command, or I am copying here. Sudo apt-get install git. Git dependency error, package git is not available. Another package is missing. Solution candidate. Why? Command not found. Sudo apt এটা আবার কি? উফ, আমার আর ভাল লাগে না অফারে, আল্লাহ রে, এত যন্ত্রণা হয় কেন? Now I will go to the third step. In third step, first command is to install git. Sudo apt-get install git. So in the terminal, I will type sudo apt-get install git. Y for yes, and wait for some time to complete the installation. Okay, my git installation is completed. I can go for next step. Next step is to download the DevStack files. Copy, paste here. Git clone http://git.openstack.org openstack-dev/devstack and press enter. Okay, after downloading the ubuntu file, you can see a folder in your under the home folder there is, and this is the installation files required to install Openstack. From here, now I can go for next step, step 4. If you face any log error, then you can run these commands. And this is optional step. Sometimes for net connection this file cannot be downloaded properly, so I downloaded it before installation. So step 4 is also optional. You can go for step 5. First command, from home folder to the ubuntu folder I have to move, so I will type cd devstack from terminal, cd devstack. Okay, I am now in the ubuntu folder. If you type ls command, you will show these files. Next step is to move sample folder which is under the ubuntu folder. So I will type cd samples. Okay, now I am in sample folders, and if you type ls here, you will show two files, local.com / local.sh. This file is required for our configuration. So I will copy this file from sample folder to the ubuntu folder. To copy this, I will type cp localconf /. The cp localconf / means parent folder. So already copied the local.conf. If I back from this folder and type ls, then you can see the file here, local.conf. Now I will set up my configuration in this file. To save the configuration, I will edit the file. I am using a nano editor. You can use any other editors, Vim or Cat, whatever you like. To modify, you must type sudo before it. Okay. Our main configuration parameters are is this: admin password, database password, rabbit password, service password. I am using same password for all of these parameters. My password is pass1, make it short, p1, 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 p1. Another two lines are required for configuration. These are host IP and floating range. Okay, I'm pasting here. Okay, the host IP depends on your machine's IP, and you can find my IP is 10.0.2.15. You can find this IP from here. Click your network button, connection information, then you can find the IP address. Okay, just copy this IP address and paste here. Close. And floating range, you can set the value as your choice. I am setting is 27. Next step, save the file. To save the file, if you are using Nano Editor, you must press Ctrl+X and it will asking to save it or not. I will type yes and enter. Okay, my file is saved. If you can see, if you want to see it is saved or not, again open the file, and this is our configuration here. Okay, Ctrl+X, clear the screen again and go for next step. Almost I am ready now to install the Openstack using Openstack. If everything is okay till now, then you can run the installation process by using .stack.sh. You can type it, or okay, I'm typing it here. Stack.sh. And in this step you have to wait minimum 40 minutes to 1 hour, depends on your internet speed. So I am pausing my video here for some time and again back. So I am pausing my video here, and I will be back again after the installation process is completed. So I am pausing my video here and I will be back after completing the installation process. When installation is completed, then you will see a screen like this. Okay, now I am checking is Openstack is working properly or not. Okay, now type localhost. Okay, username is admin and password is p1 that you have typed in local.conf file. I am displaying this. Home Openstack. Where is local.conf file? This one. Here we can see the password is p1, so I will type here p1 connect. So you can remember or remember not. This is our page, and you can see the overview here. If you can see this screen, then it can be confirmed that your installation is perfectly completed. Okay, in the next tutorial I will show you how to configure the Openstack. Goodbye for now.